Welcome to Minexa.ai, the ultimate tool for scraping job postings effortlessly. We automatically identify all fields and deliver structured outputs in JSON, Excel, or API formats for you. Open the workbc.ca job search page you want to scrape. Minexa handles rendering and detects the page structure automatically. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension now. It works directly on dynamic, fully loaded pages in your browser to start scraping. Press the violet button labeled "I'm on the right page" so Minexa can analyze how the job postings are listed and organize the data for you. Full dataset coverage is set. Minexa has detected how pagination works and will follow it automatically every time you run the scraper. Select whether you want to scrape only the visible job fields or include full details from each job posting's individual page. Click Continue if the job data is already visible. Switch to Advanced mode if you need to trigger clicks or interactions before scraping. Confirm and proceed. Minexa has highlighted the HTML container with all job postings, ready to extract data efficiently. Every field is detected and structured, including job titles, locations, employers, and posting dates. You can select what data you need or export all fields at once. Developers can click the API request button to get reusable Python code that works across projects without changing extraction logic. Validate and complete the configuration. Click Complete Configuration to finalize your scraper setup and prepare it to run anytime. All result pages are covered. Minexa automatically follows the full pagination sequence on every extraction to ensure complete data. Your scraping job is all set. If you want it to run automatically, choose a frequency here. Then click Confirm to save your setup. Hit Run and your dataset is generated instantly. You can export to Excel, JSON, Google Sheets, or feed it directly into API pipelines after completion. This dataset looks consistent every time it runs, with key job posting data like title, company, location, and date all structured perfectly. You can rely on it for automated reports and scheduled jobs without fail. Download your dataset now. JSON keeps nested data intact, while Excel formats everything into easy-to-read columns for your convenience. Install Minexa.ai and move from your browser to export in minutes. Use the Chrome extension or API with the same scraper everywhere for seamless data extraction.